The third stage of the Jetpeel treatment is hydroporation. It is performed in conjunction with jet solutions for a range of skin concerns. Hydroporation delivers nourishing active ingredients into the deeper skin layers without the use of needles or any direct contact with the skin. When performing hydroporation, hold the handpiece 8 to 10 millimeters away from the skin at a 90-degree angle. Use a slow, constant zigzag motion, thoroughly covering the treatment area during each step. Let's begin. Position the handpiece between the eyebrows and zigzag up toward the hairline. Perform the same motion, starting between the eyebrows and moving up on a slight angle toward the left. Once again, perform a zigzag motion on a steeper angle out and up toward the left hairline. Start at the cheekbone beneath the left eye and zigzag toward the temple. Position the handpiece under the left eye near the nose and zigzag along the under eye area to the outer edge of the eye. Begin on the left cheek next to the lower nose and zigzag up along the cheekbone toward the ear. Start at the corner of the lips and move up along the cheek toward the ear. Begin at the chin and zigzag thoroughly along the jawline, ending near the lower ear. Position the handpiece at the top of the nose between the eyebrows. Zigzag along the entire bridge of the nose, ending at the tip. Begin at the bridge of the nose at the eye level. Zigzag down the side of the nose to the left and along the eye socket area. Zigzag down the side of the nose to the middle of the left cheek. Move the handpiece above the lip and toward the cheek next to the left nostril. Position the handpiece at the base of the neck and zigzag upwards the length of the neck. Repeat this motion 3 more times, each time starting slightly further left around the neck. Repeat steps 1 through 13 on the right side of the face. The final step focuses on areas highly prone to wrinkles. Use the magic handpiece. Hold at a 90-degree angle, maintaining a 2 to 4 millimeter distance from the skin. Begin at the forehead and between the eyebrows. Move the handpiece along the lines or wrinkles from one end to the other in a very slow motion. Then move over the crow's feet area at the edge of both eyes. Last, when addressing the mouth, move slowly along the lines above the top lip and finish over the laugh lines at the corner of the mouth. Make sure to slowly follow closely along the entire length of the wrinkle lines.